Hello guys, welcome back to Blix Unbox Tech. Today I am installing the Spigen screen protector. As you guys know, I just got a new iPhone 13 Pro Max. I've been protecting it with just a case. Now I want to apply the screen protector, which I was waiting for. So let's take out the Spigen case. So there you go. So that popped right out. It's pretty late, so bear with me. Let's see what's in the package. There we go. Okay, look at that. So I completely destroyed the box, and let's take one screen protector. It comes with two. So let's say that you mess up one, you still nothing else in the box. Presentation is pretty cool, but nothing in the box. Presentation is pretty cool. So you get two. Let's say you messed them up, you have a second one to install, or if you broke one, you have a spare one. So either way, pretty cool. The price is actually quite cool. So yeah, and the price is really cool as expected from a Spigen. It's not too much and lots of quality. So I'm just gonna install one and give the spare one. See if I don't mess up. If I mess up, I can use the second one, right? So let's read the manual. I have not watched any YouTube videos about how to do this. So I wash my hands, of course, cleaning wipe, the back film, third, fourth, slide and right. Okay. I've never done this, to be honest. So let's see. First, you have two wipes. The presentation is pretty good. The presentation is quite there. So I have these wipes. I'm gonna take one. If I mess up for the second one, I have the spare one. Here you have you know what, let's put all this out. You have one spare wipe. You have the cleaning cloth, so I'm gonna get that one. And here you have a tape for the dust, right? So I have one spare more. And how to remove bubbles. I guess this is gonna be a video, right? Yeah, just to the side, just simple installation trick, right? So this is all I have for this installation. Let's keep everything neat. So I have here the manual, all I need from 1, 2, 3, and the protector, right? So it's reorganized. So I have the iPhone right here. So let's start with cleaning the screen of the device. Yes, just get in there. I have my device pretty clean. It is actually brand new, so I don't expect any craziness, right? There you go. Yeah, there you go. That should do the trick. I'm gonna check with the light. There you go. There's nothing in there. I don't think there is no even dust, to be honest. So there you go. That's one. Yeah, that's not even there. I don't think I even need the dust thing, to be honest. I'm just gonna do it. Just to be, I'm just gonna do it to be sure. So there you go. This is immaculate. This is like really clean. I don't even see any dust, to be honest, guys. I don't see any dust, to be honest. I'm gonna set it with the light. Yeah, that should be good. So let's get to the tricky part, right? I mean, you cannot go wrong because it is perfectly made just to fit the phone. So I don't expect any craziness, right? Try to follow the instructions that you get supplied. The case is pretty straightforward. It should just have the shape of the phone, so you can just put on it and it will automatically adjust and have no room or wiggle room for you to mess up. Just look at what I'm doing and follow the steps. Almost up. Just be patient, guys. I'm just following the instructions, to be honest. I don't think that you need to wait the 30 seconds, but I'm just doing it just to be sure. Let's follow the Spigen's instructions. There you have bubbles, so I might, yeah, you cannot press that one there. Do you see this one? I don't see anything to actually press it, right? So I did my part and I pressed it for 30 seconds straight. And now you can just remove it from here, I guess. Yeah, it says remove from here, so this is just the branding, guys. So follow this instruction, 1, 2, 3. There you go. So there you go. Now you can lift your phone. Let me see, now you can lift it like that. Yeah, and here you have a couple of bubbles, guys. Just 2 of them, 2 big ones, so hopefully I can get those right away. It doesn't tell me to take the bubbles right away, so first you should take off the film before you do any bubbles, if you follow the instructions. I guess you could do it right now, but I'm just following the Spigens, right? So here you go, just one, a big one. So that one, I'm gonna hopefully take it out with this. There you go. That is one, and this is the second one. Yes, guys, I think that I've never had such a nice screen protector, to be honest, guys, on any device. As you guys know, I switched from the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra to the iPhone, and getting a screen protector for that phone was a nightmare. So that was everything for this video. I hope I could give you some insight on how to install it. Links will be provided in the description down below, where to buy it. It should get you the best prices, so go check out the link in the description. See you on the next time.